In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to size dashboards in Tableau so they fit properly. If you're a Tableau user, ensuring that your dashboard displays perfectly on different devices can be crucial for clear and impactful visualizations. Let's dive right into it and make sure your dashboards are looking their best. First, you'll begin by launching the Tableau application. This is the foundational step to access your data and create visual representations. Once your Tableau app is open, the next step is to access your worksheet. Your worksheet is essentially where your data takes form, turning rows of numbers into insightful visual stories. After opening the worksheet, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is the stage where your visualized data comes together, allowing you to arrange and format your graphs, charts, and tables in one cohesive view. Now let's focus on sizing the dashboard correctly, which is our key task for today. On the left-hand side of the dashboard view, you'll find options for sizing. This panel is where you can specify how your dashboard should appear on different screens. By clicking on the sizing option, you will be given different selections to choose from. This is where the magic happens. When you click on the size menu, you'll notice a few options: fixed, automatic, range, and custom. Each of these serves a different purpose. If you want your dashboard to have a consistent appearance across all devices, you might choose the fixed size option. This ensures that no matter where your dashboard is viewed, its appearance remains unchanged. On the other hand, selecting automatic allows Tableau to adjust the dashboard size dynamically based on the screen it's being viewed on, which can be incredibly useful for making sure everything is visible on screens of any size. For more controlled flexibility, there's the range option, which lets you define a min and max size for your dashboard. This can be helpful when you know the range of screen sizes your dashboard will be viewed on. If you want precisely tailored dimensions, the custom option is your best friend. It allows you to manually input the exact width and height in pixels, giving you total control over the display settings. Furthermore, under the custom settings, there's an opportunity for user-specific sizes. This is particularly useful for dashboards intended for web or mobile views, where varying screen sizes are the norm. By setting these custom sizes, you can guarantee that your dashboard will look as intended, whether it's on a desktop monitor or a smartphone. To sum it up, making sure your dashboards are appropriately sized in Tableau enhances clarity and ensures a consistent user experience no matter where they are viewed. Whether you're a novice just getting started or a seasoned user refining your skills, I hope these tips help bring your data stories to life on any screen. Thanks for tuning in and happy visualizing.